I have a lamb curry recipe for you today, guys. It is sure to please. Stay tuned. Feast your eyes on this pot of succulent deliciousness. For this recipe, you will need 3 pounds of lamb, curry powder, pimento powder, seasoning salt, and onions, Scotch bonnet pepper, scallion, and garlic. Add all your seasonings to the meat, that delicious looking lamb.
So the garlic, the pepper, scallion, and the onion. And then you get that close. Then add the broth.
Then allow all of those flavors to marry with the meat for about 3 hours, or you can leave it overnight, okay? Then add about 3 tablespoons of oil to a pot and let it heat up, and then you're going to add your seasoned lamb to it. You don't want to really turn it at this point. You just want to kind of spread it out in the pot, and then you're going to cover it and allow it to cook in its own natural juices on medium heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then you're going to check on it. You see how it's drawing on its natural juices right there? Now after about 15, 20, 25 minutes, you're going to add some water. That's it? Not a lot, just enough to cover the meat to allow it to cook evenly. Cover it and then put it back to cook on medium heat. And then you're going to add 2 diced Irish. That's going to help with the gravy. And allow it to cook again for about 30 minutes. And this is the result after about an hour or so of cooking. Yes, the gravy is coming together and it is looking so good. Not to mention the smell. Oh my goodness, guys, I wish I could have shared this with you, but you can cook it for yourself too. I'm showing you how. And an hour and a half later, this is the result, guys. Yes, succulent lamb curry falling off the bone. Oh, and those pieces of Irish, I must say, taste so good after cooking in all them lovely seasoned juices. Oh my goodness, guys, it's for me to tell you and for you to try it for yourself. And of course, those of you who want to add your little touches to it, if you want to add a little bit more of any type of season that you have, for example, here we didn't have any thyme, so I don't think we had put any thyme, but you can add thyme in it. Thyme goes well with it as well. Well, thank you for watching, guys. Thank you for stopping by my channel.